In this video, the topic that we are going to cover is resistance and resistivity. In the mathematical form of Ohm's law, that V was equal to IR and R was a term that was called as resistance. The word resistance means to resist something. So it is defined as opposition or obstruction offered to the flow of current. Or if you see the formula of resistance, that is V divided by I. So it can also be defined as ratio of potential difference across its ends to the strength of the current flowing through it, that is R is equal to V divided by I. Unit of resistance is Ohm and it is represented by symbol this. Now what is the cause of resistance? See, when current is formed, when all the electrons are traveling in definite direction, but when they travel in definite direction, there are certain collisions inside. They collide with positive ions or the walls of the conductor. When they collide, they stop for a while, for nanosecond or much more smaller second. At that time, resistance is produced because electron has stopped flowing. So the main cause of resistance is collisions. Now what are the factors on which resistance depend? The first factor is length. More the length, more would be the collision. So it is directly proportional to length, that is R is proportional to L. Second factor is cross sectional area. More narrow the conductor is, more there will be collisions. So R is inversely proportional to area of cross section. If we combine both of them, that is R is proportional to L divided by A, and when proportion sign becomes equals to, there is a constant that is known as rho. Rho is called constant of proportionality and it is called resistivity. Another name of resistivity is specific resistance. So formula of R is rho L by A. Now if you solve this, rho is equal to RA by L. R is measured in ohm, area in meter square, length in meter. Now if you solve this, you get SI unit of resistivity, that is ohm meter. Now if you want to define resistivity, what you can do, you can make area equal to 1 meter square, length equal to 1 meter. So in that case, rho becomes equal to R. If A becomes 1, L becomes 1, rho is equal to R. So this can be definition of resistivity, that resistivity is equal to resistance of conductor of unit area and unit length. This is definition is defined as resistance of material of unit length and unit cross sectional area. It is represented by symbol rho, RHO, and its SI unit is ohm meter. Now resistivity does not depend on length of conductor or area of cross section of conductor. Resistivity depends mainly on nature of the material. For example, copper would be having different resistivity, silver would be having different. So as the material changes, resistivity also changes. Another factor which can affect resistivity is temperature. So if length changes, area changes, resistance would change, but resistivity will not change. So resistance depends on how many factors? Mainly two factors, length and area. But apart from length and area, there are two more factors. The third factor can be nature of the material. For example, silver would be having less resistance and copper would be having high resistance. So as per the nature also, resistance varies. The fourth would be temperature. When we increase the temperature, resistance also increases. So apart from length and area, there are two more factors on which resistance depends. But resistivity depends mainly on nature of material and temperature.